In this video, I'll be showing you how to insert a microSD card into your Xiaomi Smart Camera C701. Now, all you need to do is simply enable physical lens blocking. So open up the Xiaomi Home app and then select physical lens blocking. Once it's been successfully enabled, you now want to disconnect it from a power source. So you can just go ahead and unplug it like so. Then once it's been successfully turned off, you're going to go ahead and grab your microSD card and insert it into the port that has appeared. Now this port only appears when you're in physical lens blocking mode. If you don't feel like turning it on, you can always just physically move or rotate the camera until you access the SD card slot. From here, insert the SD card face down with this metallic part facing down into the slot like so. To ensure that when you're inserting it in, it clicks, you're going to use your fingernail like this, and you're just going to push it all the way in to the end until you hear a click. So push. Might take a couple of tries as you push it in. So it should go in like that. Once you see it's gone in properly, you can now go ahead and just connect the power source back to the camera and wait for it to turn on. As you wait, you can always just tap on the turn off physical lens blocking as we wait for it to come on.
MicroSD card is not enabled. Please check in the Mi Home shop.
Then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and select Storage Management in the Xiaomi Home app, and you want to tap on MicroSD card. From here, you just need to go ahead and format the MicroSD card after successfully ensuring that it's currently enabled. So format SD card and confirm your choice. And once that has happened, you should now have enough storage space for your Xiaomi Smart Camera C701 to be able to use the microSD card. So wait for it to finish formatting. And once it's done that, you can now be able to use it. So you can see it's saying microSD card status is good. And this is because it has at least an estimated 20 days of loop recording. So currently it's only used 1 GB out of its total 249 GB. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.